Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gitika Arya, and today's video is all about Indo-Western outfits which you can wear for Diwali or any other function. So let's start the video. So for look number 1, I teamed up white formal shirt with a printed long skirt, and this skirt I got from Only. Then I wore this necklace which is having an ethnic vibe with some golden tint and the matching gold earrings and the rose gold watch. And over the shirt I am wearing this ethnic cotton jacket. This look is extremely smart and versatile. You can wear it in office or in any festival party. For this look, I am wearing this ethnic long jacket over a beautiful western trouser and a spaghetti, black color spaghetti. And to match the vibe, I am wearing this ethnic necklace and the earrings and the same rose gold watch. And I am wearing golden and black footwears. For this look, I am wearing red ethnic skirt and a black top which is of full sleeves, and over that I am wearing this ethnic jacket having mirror and the thread work, and I am again wearing the same ethnic jewelry and also added this beautiful ethnic yellow purse to give it a contrast look. For this look, I am wearing this sea green color ethnic jumpsuit having golden borders. I am wearing matching golden stud. I am wearing heels with this jumpsuit to give it a height. You can also add a coat. I have added a black coat and a golden neck piece and tied hair in ponytail to give it a stylish and a chic look. For this look, I have teamed up this lemon yellow tied up top which is a full sleeves along with the ethnic palazzo mainly in the blue tone, and styled it with chan balis, silver chan balis and the ethnic yellow contrasting purse. That's all for today guys. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will come with more such videos. Till then, bye. Happy Diwali.